Hello and welcome back to Faceless Security, where we explore the world of technology and cybersecurity. In today's video, we will delve into the essential aspects of developing security policies and procedures. Security policies, standards, procedures, and guidelines form the backbone of an organization's security strategy. They provide a structured approach to safeguarding information and resources. Firstly, let's discuss security policies. Security policies are broad directives from senior management that outline an organization's security expectations. These policies cover areas such as data protection, access control, and incident response. For example, a data protection policy might mandate encryption for all sensitive data. Next, we have standards. Standards support policies by providing specific mandatory rules. They detail the technical and operational requirements necessary to meet policy objectives. For instance, a standard might specify the use of AES-256 encryption for data at rest. Guidelines are recommendations or best practices that help in achieving the standards. Guidelines offer flexible recommendations to help meet standards. They suggest best practices and methodologies for various aspects of security, like selecting appropriate security technologies or implementing secure coding practices. Procedures are step-by-step instructions on how to perform specific tasks or activities. These are crucial for the actual implementation of security measures, such as configuring firewalls or conducting security audits. Now let's talk about the development of policies and procedures. The development process involves understanding organizational goals, identifying risks, and consulting stakeholders. Drafting should involve clear, concise language and should be reviewed by legal and compliance teams. Once developed, documentation and approval are the next steps. Once drafted, policies and procedures need to be documented clearly and submitted for approval by senior management. This ensures they are aligned with the organization's strategic goals and have the necessary authority for enforcement. Finally, implementation is key. Implementing security policies and procedures involves training staff, deploying necessary technologies, and integrating the policies into everyday operations. Continuous monitoring and adjustments are essential for effectiveness. With this foundation in place, we can now explore the importance of business continuity and how it ties into an organization's overall security strategy. Let's move on to another essential component of organizational resilience: business continuity requirements. Business continuity planning ensures that an organization can continue operations during and after a disruptive event. This involves preparing for various scenarios that could impact critical business functions. One of the key components of business continuity planning is the business impact analysis, or BIA. Conducting a BIA involves several steps. First, identify critical business functions and processes. Next, assess the impact of potential disruptions. Finally, prioritize recovery efforts based on impact severity and likelihood. The BIA helps organizations understand which functions are vital and how long they can be down without significant impact. It's also crucial to identify and manage external dependencies for effective business continuity. This includes third-party vendors, supply chains, and other external partners whose disruptions could affect your operations. The Business Continuity Plan, or BCP lifecycle, includes several phases. Planning and initiation. This initial phase involves establishing the scope and objectives of the BCP. Business impact analysis, BIA. In this phase, critical business functions and their dependencies are identified, providing a clear understanding of potential impacts and priorities. Developing recovery strategies. Plans are created to restore operations effectively, ensuring minimal disruption to business activities. Implementation. The plans are put into action, integrated into the organization's operational framework. Testing and exercises. Regular testing of the plans is conducted to ensure they work as intended. Maintenance and updating. Feedback from testing and changes in business conditions are used to continuously improve and update the BCP, ensuring it remains effective and relevant. Regularly testing your BCP through drills and exercises is essential to ensure that it works as intended. This helps identify weaknesses and areas for improvement. Lastly, a critical part of any BCP is a communication plan that ensures timely and effective communication with stakeholders during and after an incident. Now let's delve into another cornerstone of a robust security posture: security control frameworks. Security control frameworks provide structured guidelines and best practices for managing an organization's security posture. They help standardize security measures across the organization, ensuring a consistent and comprehensive approach to safeguarding information assets. One of the most recognized frameworks is ISO/IEC 27001. This international standard for information security management systems, or ISMS, offers a systematic approach to managing sensitive company information to keep it secure. The benefits of ISO/IEC 27001 include enhancing risk management processes, improving customer and stakeholder confidence, and facilitating compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. Next, we have the NIST Cybersecurity Framework, widely used in the U.S. This framework provides policy guidance for private sector organizations to assess and improve their ability to prevent, detect, and respond to cyber attacks. The key components of NIST include: identify, develop an understanding of risk to systems, people, assets, and data; protect, implement safeguards to ensure delivery of critical infrastructure services; detect, develop and implement activities to identify the occurrence of a cybersecurity event; respond, take action regarding a detected cybersecurity event; recover, maintain plans for resilience and restore capabilities or services impaired due to a cybersecurity event. COBIT, or Control Objectives for Information and Related Technologies, is another essential framework. It aids in developing, implementing, monitoring, and improving IT governance and management practices. COBIT bridges the gap between technical issues, business risks, and control requirements. Benefits of COBIT includes: aligns IT strategy with business goals, provides a framework for measuring IT performance, enhances decision-making processes. SABSA, or Sherwood Applied Business Security Architecture, offers a business-driven approach to security architecture and service management. Key features of SABSA includes: business-driven approach to security, supports risk management and compliance, facilitates integration with other frameworks and methodologies. FedRAMP, or Federal Risk and Authorization Management Program, provides a standardized approach to security assessment, authorization, and continuous monitoring for cloud products and services used by U.S. federal agencies. The FedRAMP process involves preparation, planning and preparing for the assessment; security assessment, conducting the assessment to ensure security controls are implemented correctly; authorization, granting authorization to operate based on the assessment results; continuous monitoring, regularly monitoring security controls to ensure ongoing protection. Lastly, we have PCI DSS, or Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, which is a set of security standards designed to ensure that all companies that accept, process, store, or transmit credit card information maintain a secure environment. CIDS helps protect cardholder data from breaches and fraud. Requirements of PCI DSS includes: install and maintain a firewall configuration to protect cardholder data, protect stored cardholder data, encrypt transmission of cardholder data across open, public networks, Implement strong access control measures. Regularly monitor and test networks. Maintain an information security policy. Understanding and implementing these security control frameworks can significantly enhance an organization's security posture, ensuring robust protection against various threats through continuous monitoring and regularly updated security controls. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content from Faceless Security.